Hi guys, so today we'll be knitting the scarf. It is a repeat of 2 row pattern, which is just the basic of knitting, which is knit and purl. I think one thing I love about this stitch is how stretchy it can get. So this is how it looks. You can have it this way, but it still retains its style. So this is how long it is. It's around 70 inches. So this is what you need: your circular needles, a pair of scissors, and your yarn. For today I'll be using Robin 100% acrylic. This is the chunky one. I think it's 4 mm. So all you need to know for this pattern, you have to cast chains in multiples of 4 plus 3. What that means is maybe you're making a scarf whose width is not so thick. If it's maybe 24, you'll do 24 chains, then plus 3. If maybe it's 12, you'll do 12 plus 3, which gives you 15. So let's get started. I'll be making a chain of 15. So this is how you do it. You have your yarn over your thumb to cast the chain. So for those who don't know how to make the chain, you can check out my first video, and let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is how your chain looks, but for this specific scarf I made a chain of 35. So it depends with the width you want for your scarf. So if you want it thicker, you can increase it in multiples of 4 plus 3. If you want it tinier, you can reduce it, maybe make less chains, but it has to be in multiples of 4 plus 3. So let's get started. So we'll be starting row 1. So for row 1, all you have to do is knit 3. 1, 2, 3, then purl 1, then knit 3, then purl 1, knit 3, then you purl 1, and at the end of that row we have 3, so we'll knit 3. So this is how it looks after row 1. So we can go to row 2. So on row 2, all you have to do is knit on the first one, purl on the second one, then from the third one you'll knit 3, 1, 2, 3, then purl 1. So it will be this repeats: purl, knit 3, then purl 1, knit 3, then on our second row we'll have 2 remaining at the end. So for this, our last stitch here was knit, so we will purl on one, then knit on the other. So for the whole scarf, for this whole scarf, these 2 rows are the repeat pattern all through to the desired length you want. So I'll take you through row 3 and 4, which is a repeat of row 1 and 2, to make sure you've understood the pattern. And yeah, so let's go to row 3. So for row 3, we'll be repeating row 1. So remember, row 3 is a repeat of row 1, which is knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, 2, 3, then you purl 1, knit 3, then you purl 1, knit 3, then you purl 1, knit 3, so this is how it looks at the end of row 3. So row 4 is a repeat of row 2. So what you do is start by knitting on the first one, knit, then you purl on the second one, then you knit 3, 1, 2, 3, then purl. The repeat pattern is knitting 3, then you purl 1, so after the 3, last one, you have the 2 chains. Remember what we did in row 2. So you purl on the first one, knit on the last one, then this is how it looks. So basically you can see the pattern is starting to form out. So at the end of whatever desired length, you'll just repeat the two rows, which is row 1 and row 2, to the desired length. So for me, I made this scarf, which is long. It's around 70 inches. So yes, that's all. You can make it, and then you can tag us on our social medias after you've completed your project. Thank you.